Why practice happiness habits? The benefits may seem obvious. After all, feeling happy feels good, but the value of happiness habits goes even deeper. Negativity is hardwired into our brains. We are predisposed to pay more attention to bad things than good things. This negativity bias has helped us survive by making us aware of possible threats, problems, and stress in our environment. However, if we are ruled by our negativity, we miss opportunities for pleasure, joy, good relationship, and humor. Happiness activities help balance out the negativity bias so that we see and experience the positive aspects of life. Experiencing and absorbing moments of happiness has long-term brain benefits. Happy experiences and thoughts can actually grow new neural circuits in our brain. These neural circuits provide us with inner strengths such as resilience, gratitude, enthusiasm, and happiness. Thank you for watching this video. Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja.